In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Shein using your Gmail account. If you're eager to dive into the world of trendy and affordable fashion, setting up an account on Shein is your first step. So let's get started by making this process as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to open the Shein app on your mobile device or visit their website on your desktop. If you don't already have the app, it's available on both iOS and Android platforms, and the website is easily accessible through any browser. Once you've got that set up, you'll be ready to begin. Now, once you're on the Shein homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner or the profile section. You'll be looking for the sign up button. This is your gateway to creating a Shein account. Click on sign up, and you'll see several options for how you'd like to register. Here, we're focusing on signing up with a Gmail account, which is not only quick but also very convenient. After selecting the Gmail option, you'll need to authorize Shein to access your Gmail account. This is a necessary step that allows Shein to verify your email address and simplify future login processes. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete this authorization. If it's your first time using this method, you might feel hesitant, but rest assured that it's a common and secure practice designed to streamline your user experience. Now, after the authorization is complete, Shein may ask you to complete additional profile setup steps. These steps could include things like entering your first and last name, setting your preferred currency, selecting your gender, or other basic setup questions that help personalize your shopping experience. It's always a good idea to fill in as much information as you feel comfortable sharing, as this can enhance how Shein tailors your experience, suggesting products that suit your style and preferences. And there you have it, you've successfully created your Shein account using your Gmail. By now, you should be all set to explore the vast array of fashion items available, from the latest trends to classic pieces. Remember, the more detailed your profile, the better Shein can serve your needs and provide you with deals and recommendations that match your style. So, enjoy curating your wardrobe with Shein and have fun shopping. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with more amazing content tailored just for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!